So back here on our old friend Mr. T-Bird, I have it sitting on the ground, even though I have the rear shackle off the left rear. It's okay, it just kind of holds itself up. But I got it so I can move it around a little bit, get it out of the way if need be. But I'm getting ready to put her up on the lift. Got our leaf springs unpacked. And of course, good old General Spring only sent me 2 insulators, and we need 4 because the spring gets sandwiched between 2 insulators, and the differential goes on top of the insulator here, and then the plate with the shock mount goes here. But all of our other bushings are here. They're in. I just have to tap these in. Now I'm waiting on the other set of insulators. Front brakes, those are underway today as well. It's here. Everything finally came in. So I'm putting that together as well. Yep, getting there. So the T-Bird up on the lift. I was going to get started here on the springs, as we've mentioned, but we've been shorted 2 insulators. So now we're just kind of stroking it with a thumb up our ass. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh my god. Screw just fell out of there. That's not good. The light on. That's really not good. What the fuck? At least when I come over to the passenger side, there's no gaping hole in the front of the wheel well. Oh, joy. Oh, the fun.